Immerse yourself in the epitome of tailor-made elegance with a personalized RCC architectural marvel, masterfully brought to fruition under the discerning eye of the esteemed Mrs. Anjana Bhandari from Gautam Buddha Rangalasala, located in the heart of Bharatpur 16, Chitwan. In the creative sanctuary of our atelier, we are committed to transforming your unique dreams into tangible wonders. With painstaking precision, we navigate through the intricate process of drafting and refining architectural plans, tapping into the deep reservoir of knowledge possessed by our seasoned civil engineering experts. We invite you to confer with our specialists by reaching out to us on Design and Drawing Engineering Consultancy with cell no. 98455430088 or 9,840,069,388. Alternatively, we warmly welcome inquiries via email at dndengconsult@gmail.com.